CZ makers. So here I'm going to show you the beautiful new arrivals, as we are the manufacturer of zircon jewelry from India. You can get the exclusive designs and best quality jewelry from us. Here I can show you the prettiest classy designs. You can see stone cuts, you can see the prong stones with us, the plating. Each and every design is just exclusive. So we are having more than 8,000 designs in stock. All type of designs you can get, like from Asian, European, African, Italian, whatever you want. You need to just make your query to us so that we can show you more beautiful designs. We can communicate with you. You need to make your inquiry. You can go and check the description section. All the details are there to make a communication. So if you are searching for a manufacturer of zircon jewelry, where we can be the best solution for you, so expecting all of your inquiries, we will communicate with you as soon as possible. Try to subscribe and like and share our videos and channel. Thank you so much.